Try it again. Curtains. Ryan, shut up. You only talk when I don't want you to. Oh my bejesus. Is there 2 showers in here?
No. And this one's a jacuzzi.
A what?
A jacuzzi.
Oh, I thought there was 2 showers.
No, that's right.
But check out the other bathroom.
Well, we could all take a shower.
Oh my.
A TV. Let's see what we got down here. What's in this room? Closet. Do we have a washer?
Yeah, right there.
Dad, you missed it.
Oh my goodness, another luxurious bathroom
That's totally luxurious.
with a real toilet. Oh, we got fancy washers now.
Oh,
Can we use the stuff that we bought?
damn it. Well, we're going